The OnePlus 6T is barely a week old, but that hasn't stopped OnePlus from already launching a new color over in China. Just like we saw from leaks earlier today. The Thunder Purple 6T has a two-tone design, with a black top that gradually transitions into a subtle purple hue. It appears to have a glossy shiny finish, like the mirror black variant. And while it's not nearly as vibrant as some other special colors OnePlus has done in the past, it's easily one of my new favorites. Every single year, OnePlus packs its smartphones with the very latest and greatest specifications it can get its hands on. With the 6T, that's no different. Some of the highlights this time around include the Snapdragon 845 processor, 6GB of RAM, 128 to 156 GB of storage, a 3700 mAh battery, and Android 9 Pie available right out of the box. All that glitters is not gold, and for some potential buyers, the 6T will no longer be a viable option. Once they realize that the phone does not have a 3.5mm headphone jack. OnePlus was one of the few remaining brands that continued to outfit its devices with a legacy port year after year. And for die-hard fans, this has the potential to be a deal-breaker. The OnePlus 6T follows in the OnePlus 6's footsteps by having a notch at the top of its display. But this time around, the notch is considerably smaller. OnePlus adopted the water drop style for the 6T's notch. And while there aren't any functional changes that come with this, it does make the front of the phone look a lot cleaner and doesn't cut off as much screen real estate as the 6's notch. OnePlus 6T packs the biggest display OnePlus has ever put on a phone. At 6.41 inches, it's sure to satisfy media lovers, mobile photographers and gamers. The extended Full HD resolution renders everything with perfect sharpness, and colors only really suffer from distortion at the most unusual of angles.